Hello there, and welcome to this utility software as part of OCR J276 GCSE Computer Science. And today we're looking at utility software. So, we're looking at different utility softwares, which we can see there, and also for backups. There's the learning outcomes for today's lesson, so we can see the challenge and the pitch. So let's get cracking. Utility software is used for a myriad of reasons, most notably to make sure that you can maintain and keep your system up to date, and as the name suggests, provide any utilities that you may need to keep your PC fully optimized. We've got three different examples here of utility software, and we're just going to talk through them now. On the left hand side here, we've got defragmentation software. What happens is when you have a storage device, and if we're imagining we've got our little storage device up here full of different blocks, when information gets put in here, it might get put in the right order, and then as time goes by, things get opened, things get moved, things get deleted, and they get fragmented. So example, we can see here that we've got some fragmentation going on here, going on over here, going here as well, because what's happened is files have been opened and closed but not in the right order. So this has meant that disk usage isn't efficient, because if we're trying to load up files and they're not contiguous, so they're not in blue, so they're fragmented, that means they are located in different areas of your storage device. So that means if they're spread all over the place, it's going to take longer for you to find. So imagine reading a book without page numbers. The pages aren't in order. You're not going to be able to do it quickly. You're going to read the first page and then have to find the second page, read it, find the next page, and you don't know where it's going to be. So defragmenting means that files look much better and load up much better because they're all stored in the close proximity to each other, which means then their load time decreases. We have got disk clean software, which gets rid of files that you don't need. So for example, setup files, downloaded files, temporary internet files, offline web pages. You don't really see so much of that one anymore. But it's files which aren't used, which aren't needed to be used, which are never used, but just generally clog up your computer. And then finally over here, we've got backup software, which strangely enough can take a backup of your data which is on your system. So if you need to make a copy of anything that you've done, you can use that using backup software. So what I want you to do, show different types of utility software, when they should be used, why they should be used, do a little bit of research, add some more here which I've not described, press pause, and after that we'll keep going. So utility software can also be used for security as well. We've previously looked at in other videos, looked at firewalls. So we've got traffic coming in, traffic going out. Firewalls can be used to prevent the threats from occurring. It's a type of utility software. We've also got virus software as well, and again, as I said before, it doesn't automatically remove it. It flags it up and says, right, I've got a virus here. Should I delete it? Yes or no? It requires the user intervention. So again, we've got antivirus software as another type of utility software. It provides utilities for the operating system to be tuned up. So what I want you to do, show me your knowledge of security utility software. There's another one as well that I've not put in here, so again, do that further little bit of research. I know this has been a quite quick little video for you, but I hope it's been helpful. Remember, utility software is important. You need to make sure you keep it up to date. I hope this video has been helpful for you. See you later.